nice outside today. We have all the doors open. I don't know if you can tell, we have the screens over the doors, but we have 3 sliders in our living room area. They are still building the pool next door, so we do have a little bit of noise from that, but hopefully they'll have their pool soon. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to another day in the life video. We are waiting for Katie to get home from school. She has had a terrible time this morning with traffic trying to get back to the island. So just very, very bad stop and go traffic in Bluffton. It seems like we don't really have a down season anymore. It's just all the seasons seem like summer as far as how many people are here, and I don't think the roads can handle it. So it's getting a little bit frustrating sometimes for her to get home from school, especially when they have any kind of road work, which they do this morning. So waiting on her to get home. Gary just left. He's gonna be gone for I think 2 nights this week. And I'm gonna start working on breakfast. I have been propagating some lettuce from the ends of the romaine hearts or whatever. So this one's doing really, really well. They've only been growing for like 3 days. So all I did was just put them in some water, and I read that you need to change the water every single day. This one's got a tiny bit of green popping up. That one's got a little bit, and this one's got the most. So I don't know if it's because the one on the end's getting more sun. I'm not really sure, but anyway, that is a fun thing to do with your kids. And a good way to get some lettuce since you already bought the original lettuce. So I've been doing that lately. So we'll see how it turns out. I'll keep y'all posted, but what I read was that you let it go for 10 to 14 days, and then that's about as good as it's gonna get, and then it won't grow like a full head of lettuce. It'll be smaller. But I'm hoping that if they all 3 will produce, that would be like the equivalent of 1, and that's still lettuce that I wouldn't have had before, so we'll see. Sophie's working on her word builder, which is kind of like spelling and handwriting, while I'm getting ready to cook, or while I am cooking.
I was looking making cake.
So and there's some pages where I'll have her write things like 6 times, and we just do it 1 time. So I just do a yellow line where she's supposed to write.
I was looking making cake that I made an H.
Well, you can fix it. So yesterday I made some French bread in the bread maker. I made the dough in the bread machine and then actually baked the loaf in the oven. So I'm going to use some of this bread for toast this morning. It's been getting really difficult lately to find hash browns, so I've just been buying potatoes and chopping them up into little small pieces and just making crispy potatoes in my cast iron skillet. Here's breakfast. I have an over easy egg, a little bit of avocado We split one 3 ways, and I have some of the Kinder's the blend on that, a couple pieces of center cut bacon, a piece of toast from that French bread that I made, and the potatoes were cooked in a little bit of coconut oil and have garlic salt and onion powder on them. It took Katie almost 2 hours to get home from school. She made it. So lately I've been trying to take it easy in the mornings and just slow down, not try to be up at a certain time, just wake up when I naturally wake up. And same thing for Sophie, I just let her sleep until she naturally wakes up. I try not to rush with breakfast. You know, I make a full breakfast every morning, but I still try not to rush with it. I try not to rush to get school started, and I feel like it's working so much better, not only just for me, but also for Sophie, because she gets to kind of have that leisurely morning and we still are able to get school done. I've just found that life just seems a lot more satisfying when you're not rushing from the first thing to the next thing all the time.
Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you.
So I'm going to finish up cleaning the kitchen before Sophie and I finish her school. She's already done with her spelling and her handwriting, and since today is a Thursday, we only have language arts and math left to finish, and she also has speech therapy later on this day.
Can you please tell it to never stop? Now my worried mind seems to fall behind, and I can find time to reflect on where we're heading. The sky's not the limit when I have you by my side. Oh, we can run mad, be free falling, and yet be glad. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it to never stop? Sunflower lilies, roses and tulips can't match one single kiss from you. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it to never stop? Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh,
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it to never stop? Watching sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. We long for viva la vida.
My kitchen floors were pretty bad this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a quick clean before we move on with our day.
A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see you. And we learn from our mistakes, and we grow from what breaks us. We let it take its time. We long for viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet you. A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see you. Viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet you. Viva la vida. A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy.
All right, it is Thursday evening. We just finished doing our meal plan, and I actually had my groceries delivered tonight instead of tomorrow. So this is actually next Friday. Tomorrow we're gonna do Java Burrito, which is a local place. We're gonna do the steaks that we didn't do the other week. Some sirloin steaks with salad and fries on Saturday. Some beef stroganoff that Katie's been requesting on Sunday. Then we're gonna do, Gary's out of town on Monday night and Tuesday night, so we're gonna do some chicken nuggets and broccoli, which that's a real quick meal, and then spaghetti carbonara, which is also really quick, on Tuesday. They're gonna make some chicken fajita bowls on Wednesday. Gary will be back, and then we're gonna do sesame noodles with shrimp on Thursday. So, and then back to next Friday, which will be our normal pizza night. So we basically have all the meat for everything this week still. So show you our grocery haul. All right, starting over here, I got some little small things of guacamole, just out of convenience. Pack of gum, and then we got our produce. We got a red bell pepper, a couple of Roma tomatoes, some potatoes, some green onions, and then a couple of cucumbers, some romaine hearts, and then some blackberries, a couple packs of strawberries, small thing of milk, 2 things of heavy whipping cream, and 1 thing of half and half. Then Gary's really the only one that drinks orange juice, but a couple things of orange juice for him, a couple things of coffee, and this is the creamer that Katie really likes. I ordered this cheese, but I got this one and this one, so I guess we'll see how that is. I guess that's just more sharp. We've never tried that one. Then a couple things of apple juice. Sophie's the only one that drinks this. Some cheese for our pizza, some Parmesan cheese for our spaghetti carbonara and the pizza, some hydrogen peroxide, which this is the strangest thing, but we've not been able to find this anywhere. So I was really surprised when this showed up in the order. We've actually looked at 2 different Targets in 2 different towns, like one where we used to live and one here. No hydrogen peroxide. And then 2 18 packs of eggs. So I still have a good many eggs, but we go through a ton of eggs. So that is our grocery haul for this week. And like I said, we already had all the meat in the freezer, so we didn't need any of that. Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.